mommy snores. She says she doesn't, but she does. She snores so loud, she sounds like a pig. She tries to blame it on my grandpa, but I know it's her. My grandpa snores like this. But my mommy snores like this. Maybe next time I'll record her.